Hi, this video is about how to create this shelf using free modeling. Okay, let's go into free modeling. First, I'm going to use subline to draft all the reference lines. Then I will generate the shelf accordingly. Let's say 150 is the depth of the shelf. You can just type in the number here. And 1600 is the bottom elevation. Next, use draw line and draw the shape of the shelf side elevation. Note that you can input the number while you draw. Here, I'll just simply draw the shape. Next, use extrude and input the length, let's say 450, and enter. Now we have one shelf done. Next, press Ctrl and select the whole object and group them. Then I'm going to move the shelf and copy another one. I will use the subline again to mark the move distance, let's say 750. Then use the move button, click on the group, select a base point and move. Next, I'll use a subline to mark the copy distance. To copy, click on the Move button, select the object, and then you press Shift to switch to copy. You will see a plus sign next to the cursor. Then click on the base point and copy. And we are done. Happy trying. Thank you.